Hello, today I am going to show you all how to get donut charts by tweaking Excel. That is half donut, quarter donut, three quarter donut charts. Let us see how it is done. First we'll discuss a half donut chart which is shown in the figure. The trick is to set the last data item as the total of all previous data and make the last slice disappear. So we make half of the chart disappear. So we will see half of the chart. How it is done? We enter data into two columns as usual. Then we can enter a description as the last data label. I have used control. And we calculate the total of all data as the value of the control. Now we get a table like this. I have used net power generation of different fuel types, and the last row is the control, which is the total of all previous power generations. Now we create the donut chart including the last row. We can set chart features such as chart title and legend. We can rotate the first slice. Normally we rotate it to 90 degrees. Right click on the chart, select Format Data Series and angle of the first slice to rotate the angle. Now we get a chart similar to this. Our idea is to remove the top part of the chart, which is in light blue, so that we get a half donut chart. So we select the last data point and right click. Then we can select fill and no fill. Then we delete last data label as well as last legend. We can drag the chart title down as well as place the legend in a place as required. Now we get the half donut chart which is required. So this is very easy. The idea here is to hide the half of the chart so we get a half chart. Let us see how to get a quarter donut. The control should be 3 times the total data because we are removing 3/4 of the chart. We can do it by multiplying the sum by 3. We don't need to rotate the chart. The table is this, and once we follow the steps, we get the chart given in the chart. So here we remove 3/4 of the chart and we get quarter of the chart displayed. To get a 3/4 donut, we have to remove quarter of the chart. That is 1/4 of the chart. So we take the total and multiply it by 1/3 as our control data, which is done by sum divided by 3. We can rotate the first slice by 45 degrees so that the chart looks symmetric. So the table is given as shown and you can get the chart like this. So again, we have hidden 1/4 of data, so we get 3/4 of the chart. Thank you. Click on subscribe as well as click on like if this video was useful. Thanks a lot again.